Shanghai Jingyi Tech Co., Ltd.
Embarked on its journey, Shanghai, headquartered in Pudong New Area, Shanghai, with a team of 137 employees, including 73 senior technicians and 7 engineers. We are pioneers in the manufacturing of vacuum freeze-drying equipment in China. Since our inception, we focused on the development and production of vacuum freeze-drying equipment and related products. Our offerings include the LFD series lab-scale freeze dryer, RFD and HFD series household freeze dryer, PFD series pilot-scale freeze dryer, BTFD, BSFD series production-scale freeze dryer. These are widely used in food production, biopharmaceutical, production of nutrition and health products, biological research, and other fields. Covering a total area of about 30,000 square meters, we ensure every set of equipment carries out pursuit of quality and innovation. Every process is full of ingenuity and professionalism, and every detail reflects our dedication to excellence. Here, we strive to provide you with the highest quality products, taking you on a journey of manufacturing excellence. Over the past 17 years, our technicians have collected and accumulated a large amount of user feedback at the production site, which has enabled us to have a strong OEM/ODM production capacity. At the same time, we can also provide turnkey solutions for freeze-dried product production lines. With a reliable product performance and stellar market reputation, the company has certified by ISO 9001, CE, ESTA, and other qualification certifications. Our products have been exported to over 100 countries and regions, including the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, the Netherlands, Portugal, Spain, Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, and the United Arab Emirates. The company has a pilot-scale in-situ freeze-drying laboratory, which can provide customers with freeze-drying effect verification of various materials. We provide prompt and comprehensive pre-sales and after-sales services. We sincerely invite you to visit us and discuss the cooperation possibilities.